Hey guys, Barbara here. Needing to leave feedback or notes? Comments are how you'll do it. Whether you're collaborating on a document with colleagues or leaving notes for yourself in a presentation, comments are easy to add in the G Suite tools. All comments will appear as small boxes in the tool that you're working in. You're able to reply to comments that are left in documents, as well as action tasks that need to be done. Using comments will allow you to communicate and collaborate on specific parts of a document, presentation, or spreadsheet without having to email back and forth. Let's see what they're all about. If you are going to be collaborating with people in a document, be sure to share the document with them with either editing or commenting rights. Watch our video on sharing in Google Drive to understand the details about sharing. Here, I have a document with text of the video all about text in Google Docs. I am going to demonstrate the commenting features by collaborating with Luke, the director of LCR Productions, which is the company that has put all these training videos together. Luke has editing rights to this document, which means he is able to make edits or leave comments in the document. You can add a comment in a few ways. The first, by highlighting what you would like to comment on and using the comment icon that appears from the toolbar at the top of this page, or alternatively, you can use the Insert menu and choose to add a comment from there. And lastly, you can right-click on what you would like to comment on and select Comment from the menu that appears. There are three main types of commenting. Comments for reminders or notes, to get someone's attention by tagging them, or to action a task for someone to do. Let's have a look at leaving general comments, notes, or reminders in a comment. When you select Comment, a little comment window will appear on the side. Here, you will be able to leave yourself a reminder or make a little note for all collaborators to see. When you have added what you would like, select Comment. Your comment will now be in the document and viewable for anyone who has edit or commenting rights. When you click on this comment, you can type in more to the comment and select Reply. Or someone else could add a reply to your comment. See how Luke has replied to me? From the three dots that appear, you are able to edit your comment or delete it. If you would like this comment to disappear, select the little tick icon and the comment bubble will no longer appear on your page. The next step to commenting is tagging someone in a comment. When working in a document, presentation, or spreadsheet, you don't need to tag people in every single comment. Only tag them when you want them to be notified via email about the comment. I'll go ahead and open my comment window again. This time, in order to tag Luke, I will start by typing the @ sign. As I do this, you will see a number of email addresses appear. As I type in Luke's name, his email address will appear. This will only happen if you have communicated with the person through Gmail before. Watch our video on settings in Gmail and Google Contacts to understand more how this data is collected. When I select Luke's name, he will be tagged into the comment. I can now type in the comment I would like Luke to get when he is tagged. Notice how it tells you here that an email will be sent when using this feature. When I select Comment Now, Luke will receive an email to show the comment. He can reply to the comment from within his Gmail account. This allows for speedy responses. However, if he would like to see more context, he can open the document, find the comment, and reply from there too. You will follow these same steps if you are tagged in a comment. When tagging people in a comment, you are able to tag more than one person in a comment at a time. Simply type in the @ sign followed by the email address of the people you would like to tag and notify. They will all be notified of your comment. The next level of commenting is to assign a task to someone through a comment. This can be useful if you have a number of action items in a document and you want to assign specific tasks to specific people. It can be particularly useful within minutes of a meeting when you want to action who will be doing what from your discussion. Open your comment window again. You will need to tag the person and add in the task or comment you would like, except this time, click on the little Assign button that appears. Note how your little notice here changes to tell you that the assigned person will be notified and responsible for marking this as complete. Select Assign. That action will now appear in the document and will indicate who it has been assigned to. When it is complete, it can be marked as done. Any comments that are made in a document are being tracked. See the little comment icon in the top right next to the share icon? When you click on that, you will see an audit trail of all the comments that have been left in a document. You will be able to see all the details of those comments here as well. If you need to, you can even reopen an old comment from here. Simply select Reopen. That comment will return to your document and it will now show that it has been reopened. Comments are easy to do and are available in Google Docs, Slides, and Sheets. Be sure to use this feature to enhance your collaboration and take your teamwork to the next level.